there and your knee will become rigid. You cannot move your knee properly. Now in that moment you need beach, which help you. Beach is a flower remedy. BEECH, beach, will make your knee comfortable. Now wine is another drug. Wine, V-I-N-E, wine, is also good drug for arthritis. Now we have continually you must be getting thought. Chain of thought which doesn't get break. It will disturb your sleep. It will trouble you. Chain of thought. Your thought continues in the day and night. Okay? Now if I tell you something, you will never forget it. Okay? It will go repeating and repeating, repeating and repeating. So anything which is repeatedly occurs in the body, that is the front door open for the cancer. So if you are repeating something in your mind, then please remove it. And to break it, to cleanse it, you take walnut and crab apple. Walnut and crab apple are again a flower remedy which helps you to improve your thought pattern, will make you cleanse and adjustment. Now, walnut and crab apple. Crab apple. Will break the chain of thought and will give cleansing. Now, for example, you have some grievances towards somebody. Okay, say you are working in a school and your principal is not cooperating. He is doing lot of daragiri, lot of demanding, lot of torture, mother and daughter-in-law. Okay, and then all disharmony comes, right? And you want to cleanse the idea, you want to calm down. Then take crab apple. Crab apple will have cleansing effect. Now, anybody having any skin problem, skin itching, eczema, right? Then crab apple is a wonderful remedy. Any skin, psoriasis, crab apple. Now what I am telling you is my 22 years experience and what I use in my clinic. Okay? Crab apple is very good. And very recently I have learned a wonderful combination. Rescue remedy and crab apple is good for eczema. Oral and local both. Now my friends, my request to you, please, I am not marketing from this company, but please, rescue remedy is a life-saving drug. All of you should have one bottle of rescue remedy in your house, in your pocket, in your everywhere. Life-saving drug. Rescue remedy is available. Always buy in rescue remedy, always buy in liquid, because liquid melts with the blood faster. So rescue remedy is a life-saving drug. Any emergency, any stroke, heart attack, paralysis stroke, any emergency, rescue remedy will be your good friend. 2 drops on the tongue will save somebody's life. Right? And it is very expensive. One bottle will cost you only 15 rupees. And life-saving drug. So rescue remedy is a must for every house. And if anybody wants to write up on rescue remedy, please remind me. I'll bring it and give it to you next time. But my request that you should remind me. Any homeopathic pharmacy. Any homeopathic pharmacy. For skin eczema. Eczema. Yes, you get it like that. No prescription needed. It works on a mental level. All flower remedy works on mental level. So all psychosomatic patients, flower remedy is wonderful. And like a doctor, 80% patients are psychosomatic, 20% are real, right? Am I right, doctor? Same. All the disease entering through body with the help of bacteria, virus, or parasitic, they are the real patient. But in many cases, you don't get any report. Okay? Then the report, when you read the report, then say correlate with this, or go for MRI, CT scan, and finally marrow. No result. Right? So psychosomatic, no, placebo is a different thing. But rescue remedy will help you, and all flower remedy, if you can analyze the patient on a mental symptom, then flower remedy is wonderful. And there are only certain remedy which you can learn. Now, what are the diagnostic techniques? We'll be learning in detail diagnostic techniques through the help of pulse. Right? I'll introduce you today pulse diagnostics, not in detail, but just introduce. Right? How many of you know how to see the pulse? Doctor, can you help me, please? Can you help me? Come, please come. You are MD pathology? Yes. Now see, pulse is a very good thing to diagnose, right? Okay? We are learning a pulse diagnosis. Now see, you guide them how to see the pulse. Keep your first finger here, second and third. Don't press it. ठीक है, keep, just guide them please. Okay, can you see the pulse? Don't press. Any hand, you have pulse on both ends. Right. There is a different person. Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Finger, you keep these three fingers, right? First is Vata, second is Pitta, third is Kapha. Okay? Right. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. Now these are the three things. Today you learn that. Next time I'll teach you how you can diagnose the organ, which organ is affected with the pulse diagnosis. Okay. So Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Now these are the three basic disturbance in the body. With this you understand that your body is more Vata, more Pitta or what Kapha. Now if it is more Vata, Pitta and Kapha, if it is Kapha, then it is better that you can take ginger more. Ginger. If your Vata is more, Kapha, that ginger will help you. Ginger water will help you. Now it is Pitta, then again ginger will help you and Limbu Pani will help you. If it is Kapha, then again Limbu Pani and ginger will help you. But if it is Pitta, then Natrum Mure and Natrum Force combination will work better. Natrum Force 200 potency, one tablet you take, two pills, you feel comfortable. Natrum Force 200. Natrum Force. It's a biochemical salt. Natrum Force. You can write NP in short form, NP 200. It's a very good remedy for acidity. NP 200 will give you good relief for acidity. Natrum Mure you can take when there is a lot of imbalance in the body of water imbalance. Then Natrum Mure you can add. After when we finish our remedy, we will be talking from here on biochemistry. Tissue salt, there are 12 remedies. Natrum Force and Natrum Mure. Mure, M-U-R, Mure. M-U-R. Acidity and water balance. Now see, today is summer, very heat, right? And you go to Ahmedabad or go to Rajasthan. When you come back to Mumbai, there is a lot of different climatic conditions. And you feel like vomiting, diarrhea, your appetite is affected. Then the moment there is a change of climate and all those things, then immediately you can take water balance. The name of the remedy, water balance, will make the level of water in the body, will make the level of water in the body. Or you can take Natrum Force and Natrum Mure together. Water balance. Water balance, name of the medicine. Or Natrum Mure and Natrum Force. Mure, both. Now we should know how to prevent our body, right? How to prevent our body from the disease and how to maintain it. Now how to maintain it and how to prevent it. Now maintenance, that you have to do some certain exercise. Number one is walking, right? Walking, minimum you have to walk for 20 minutes. Walk for at least 3 days in a week. If you can walk every day, good. Or walk for 20 minutes. Now if walking is not possible, then you can do like a newborn baby. What newborn baby does? हाथ और पैर हिलाता है. We only move our खाना खाया, किसी को गाली दिया और मजा किया. So be like a newborn baby. Right? Now how to move hand and feet. Right? So no, you may lie down and do cycling or go walking or do jogging. And morning you stand like this, keep some distance, raise your hand, inhale, exhale. Right? This is known as Schweitzer. This is good, which helps you for 200 different diseases, including memory, good for asthma, good for obesity, improve your blood circulation. This is known as Schweitzer. Schweitzer. Schweitzer, you can write down. How many of you know Gujarati? You know Gujarati? You want the write-up on Schweitzer? You want? We'll get a photocopy from down and we'll give it to you. Anybody who wants this photocopy of Schweitzer? But it's in Gujarati. You want? Gujarati will be okay? 3, 5, 6 copy. Madam, Can we get the 6 copies? Here they want it. A newborn baby, when you tie up in the cloth, the moment you remove the cloth, what baby